So hey, my name is Josh, and this is Flips Finds Fun. Me and my wife Brittany, we love going out, creating this content to show you what you can go find to flip, and we love having fun. So in this video, you're going to see a few of the yard sales. This is a part 2 of a big yard sale day that we had. If you missed the first video, we're going to put a card right above here so you can go and check that out. But in this video, you're going to see a few yard sales. Hang out at the end of the yard sales. I want to go over one of the bulk purchases we made on this. But we also, at the end, we love putting fun family content. So hang out if you want to check that stuff out. The first part of the video will be those yard sales to show you some more stuff that you can find and flip it. And like I said, keep on hanging out at the channel. Have fun with us. If you like this kind of stuff, tune in every single week where we're going to keep bringing you this fun, amazing content. How much for the shoes?
Which ones you want? They've only been worn once.
Yeah.
I wanted 20 for them.
I gotcha. And the sandals?
20 for those. I've worn those less than a handful too.
Gotcha.
These are like 9.5 though. And
yeah.
Nikes are 10s.
Yeah, I got a good friend who wears 10s. So they may work for her.
Those I think are 9s or 9.5 too.
Yep, 9. Okay.
Snap-on hoodies are 5 each, or if you want the whole thing, both of those things, 25.
Oh, all these?
Yeah.
Okay. How much did you say for both?
25. Just not the containers.
Yeah. I was just counting them. So 25. What were you thinking on these?
I paid over 100 in Europe for them. I wanted at least 50.
Gotcha. Probably pass on those, but we do these, and that for 60. That's just $5 off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that. So these and that.
Yeah. There you go.
Thank you. Do you want a bag for all this?
I have a bag in the back. I'll take the shoes, okay, and I'll come back and I'll grab a bag for that.
Okay.
All right, well, appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, look at that cool hat.
Hi. Have a good one. Hey, how you doing?
Y con tu dulce paz, como tu bendición.
How much is the bat? Huh? $3. Okay, yeah, I'll do that. Thank you.
Thank you.
You said 3?
We got one in the car. Yeah, we got one in the car.
There you go.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. So yes, another awesome finds. Just love when we can go out and find this stuff. And in that first one, I paid up a little bit on the shoes. They were pretty nice. The Nike Air Max will probably bring in about $40 to $50. The Birkenstocks, we already have 2 watchers on them, and they're sitting at $70. So we already have this total lot paid for. But the snap-on hoodies, these are not like Harley Davidson, they're not crazy vintage t-shirts, and if you like that market, that's, you know, really good. There's a lot of competition for those. But Snap-on is like a middle of the road brand. If you don't know, it's a tool brand. They're pretty exclusive, and when I saw this with this kind of deal, it was kind of a no-brainer for me. It's a ton, I'll just show you a few examples, but a ton of these hoodies, and why these will do pretty good is A, because of the season that we're in. Yeah, they're pretty cool. And checking your eBay sell-through rate. If you're not familiar what that is, there's an eBay mobile app, and you can look these things up. I'm gonna put it on the screen here beside me just so we can kind of talk about it. So I looked these up, and I go to condition, pre-owned, what's listed versus what's sold. And when I went to the what's listed, there are only 12 available pre-owned Snap-on hoodies. So if you click right over and you go to completed, sold, I see that there are 30 sold. So what this is showing me, yeah, they're not the craziest brand to fly off of the shelf, but when people are looking through these, I more than double my chances of selling these items. So people are buying them. It is the proper season. We are right here in the fall of Virginia. It's actually our coldest day today. But I just wanted to share with you, when you look up certain items or certain brands, you can see, are they gonna sit a while, or do they have a really good chance of selling through and selling pretty quickly? And for the rest of this video, I hope you learned something new with the reseller content, but we are a really fun flipping family as well. And so we had a chance the prior weekend to go to a little pumpkin patch with our boys, and then also at our church over the Halloween weekend, we do a massive trunk or treat. We were able to hand out candy to over 8,000 people, and I got a little bit of footage of that, and just to show you, we had a lot of fun. So hey, I just want to say thanks for tuning into the video. If you want to hang out and see the family fun video, it's coming up right after this. But I just want to say thanks for tuning in always to the channel. Keep on just tuning in. Let us know, do you want to see some what's sold from us, or what kind of content you would like to see here on the channel? And we just want to say we love you so much. Go out there and make the world a better place with a sale and a smile. And we'll see you again real soon. Can we do it? All right, here's where it's tough. Nice. That's how we do trunk or treat. fun. It's a crazy fun time just being able to love on our community like this. This is the stuff we like doing. So the big thing, you know, just want to tell everybody just always have a safe holiday, and you know, stuff we love to do.